Touch the snow! Yes! Snow! You even have a window, haha. Not really. Yeah, but oh my God. Window seat. We're in our seats. J-Dog. Spence has an awesome window seat. Welcome aboard, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty toasty out there in Salt Lake today. If you wouldn't mind opening your air vents, and once we are at the gate, if you could close your window shade, that'd be greatly appreciated.
Alright, we're here. We arrived at our destination, Salt Lake City. Crazy flight. It's hot. Hot as hell. Look who it is. Jazzy J-Mo. You made it. We're here. They say it's hot. It is. Beautiful. We just landed in Salt Lake City. 4 of the 6 crew members are here now. 2 more tomorrow. We're here to shoot Bonanza Campout Music Festival. 3-day music fest, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Wednesday.
B-roll for days.
Business mullet on lock. I bet he plays bass. LNE. On our way to LNE. Reggae Rise Up headquarters.
Hi guys.
Hi. So that was a great pit stop. Snow caps. Yeah. Salt. There's salt-capped mountains.
I plan to do some scouting and then just B-roll shoot. Is it sweet? Where should I leave? Sweet. Where do you want me to park this?
You want to back it up right next to that guy, that'd be awesome. So we're here, now we're at the main event area. We're trying to figure out where we want to go to get some B-roll shots. We are surrounded completely by hills. All around. Justin's freaking out, he's never seen snow before. The most he's seen
snow.
I've never seen snow. Like... That's why he was sitting in the back like hyperventilating. JMO coming in with the golf cart. On the other side of that rock is just water right up to the edge. But we do have this river down here.
Maybe I need no reason to stay stuck on your rhythm.
Thank God we got the Yukon XL. Still climbing this mountain. We are up here. Ears are popping. This high.
Do airplanes go higher than this?
Shake. Yes! Snow! We found snow!
Snow right there.
Go touch it!
Wow. Look at that. Wow. Did you jump across those things? Oh, there's some like, whoa, something was standing in this big ass hoof. Whoa, whoa.
First snowball! I saved your life. Woo!
No, it's real, we wanna feel like a new horizon. And it happens every time.
Can't come to a place like this and not run. Look at all that nature. Ready? Yep. Running. All right, see ya. Here we go.
But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual.
They are so thin. Oh, that's dead. Still going strong. All right, run done.
It's not unusual. It's not unusual. It's not unusual.
All right, day 2, Bonanza road trip. Just started off today with a 1-mile run, calisthenics in the park. We're gonna grab some breakfast. All right, so we're back on site. checking everything out. Justin, Jacob. Jacob's joining our team. He's a local videographer. Gonna be with us all weekend.
Every time you click into my spine, travel through my system, hit you right. Every time you're moving in my mind, every time you're moving.
Got the drone shot. Now I'm gonna head to that cliff up there. This is so awesome right here. Holy wow. It always the last.
Made it to the house, Park City, Utah.
Wow, this place is epic. There's a 4th story. There's a whole other room in futon 4th story.
Really?
Master suite.
Sweet.
Oh my god, look at that mountain breeze. I forgot entirely about all of this. Well, we're here. Basically living like kings for the next, what, 5 days, 6 days? Wow! Wow. The whole media team for the entire music festival is staying in this house. There's like 13 video and photo people. It's gonna be media mayhem. 4 stories in this house. Unbelievable views. It's gonna be wild. The whole team is here! Made it! Yeah.
It is exactly 11 o'clock at night, so we are heading out. The pre-party. Yep.
We are R80 live, Rich.
Well, we're here. Pre-party.
Hey, we're here.
Full team. Feels good. We're standing in line at the club, Elevate. Chef Faker's doing a DJ set.